Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters, and we graciously welcome as well our pilgrims joining us this morning's Holy Eucharist. Constant in our readings today is the invitation to come out, ang magpakita, ang magpahayag ng ating sarili. The beautiful invitation of the prophet Isaiah in the first reading wishes that the Lord would like and through His voice to invite those in prison, to those in darkness, to come out and show themselves. It was a great message of hope. Pinapakita sila o iniimbitahan silang magpakita so that grace may pour over their lives upang sila ay mahilom, mabago ang kanilang buhay, magkaroon ng direksyon ang kanilang buhay dito sa mundong ito. And likewise, it was the invitation of Jesus in today's gospel, saying that to those who are in the tombs will hear His voice and will come out. To those who have done good things, to the resurrection of life. Isang pag-asa at isang tawag ng Diyos po sa atin ang magpakita, ang lumabas, hindi lang para tayo ay makita ng bawat tao, but then this revelation, this coming out will be a way of correction, will be a movement of grace, and a movement to dignify ourselves once more. Sana po hindi natin tularan yung madaming mga taong nagtatago dahil ayaw managot, dahil ayaw iharap ang kanilang mukha sa madami nilang mga pagkakamali. Kilala pang mga tao yan, pero ayaw panagutan ang kanilang mga nagawa. But these days of Lent, my dear sisters and brothers, we might be part of those people wanting to hide ourselves as often as we can. Tinatago natin ang sarili natin, naiintindihan po natin dahil nakakahiya, dahil may ginawa tayong masama, baka hindi na maganda ang ating reputasyon, hindi maganda ang ating ginagawa, kaya nakakahiyang magpakita. But let us see this invitation of Jesus to come out, to show ourselves, not as a triggering point, not as a strict command that He will punish us, but let us reveal ourselves so that from that moment, God can correct us. Life may bless us with grace. The Lord may teach us once more, this is the right thing to do, this is not the way how to do it. Kung magtatago lang ho tayo na magtatago sa mga oras na ito, baka mawala tayo ng direksyon. Kundi sa patuloy nating pagpapakita in our everyday manifestation, God shows the way to correction. Let us not hide ourselves these days of penance. Even whenever we go and approach the priest in confession, God is even more trying to invite us, come out, show yourselves. I will not be here to be angry with all your sins. But as you show yourself, as you come out, this will be a beautiful time so that I can change you, I can transform you, and I can bless you with my love and with my grace.